The Major Hillard Library in Chesapeake, Virginia is not just a place of books and knowledge, but a sanctuary where the enchanting life cycle of monarch butterflies unfolds before our very eyes. Our journey begins in the spring with the simple yet crucial act of planting milkweed. By planting milkweed, our dedicated master gardeners have created a haven for these majestic creatures, offering a front row seat to their incredible life cycle. Milkweed serves as the monarch butterfly's nursery, a place where they lay their eggs. Milkweed is the only host plant for the monarch caterpillar. Why milkweed? Well, it's because this seemingly unpalatable plant contains toxins that make monarchs taste nasty, deterring predators. As the monarch butterfly eggs hatch into caterpillars, they feed voraciously on the milkweed, growing and transforming. The milkweed, though bitter for most creatures, is a delightful treat for another tiny inhabitant of our garden, aphids. We also host the charming black swallowtail caterpillars in our library garden. They mimic the monarch caterpillars to protect themselves from predators. Unlike the monarchs, black swallowtail caterpillars have a diverse menu of host plants, including parsley, fennel, and dill. The most magical phase in a monarch's life is when it transforms from a caterpillar into a chrysalis. Inside the protective shell, an incredible metamorphosis occurs. Time marches on, and the moment arrives when the matured butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. The butterfly slowly pumps its delicate wings with fluid from its own body, expanding them until they are full and vibrant and forming its unique, intricate patterns. Our library garden becomes a temporary sanctuary for this wondrous spectacle. After emerging, our monarch takes its time to dry its wings under the warmth of the sun. It's a remarkable sight to see these fragile wings unfurl and take shape, becoming the tools that will soon carry them on an incredible journey. In the spring, when monarchs return from their winter stay in Mexico, they start laying eggs in the south as soon as they find milkweed. It's the next generation that emerges from those eggs as caterpillars and eventually metamorphosized into butterflies that will continue the journey north. The average monarch lives only 2 to 6 weeks. The monarch will go through 4 generations from spring to summer. The last generation is known as the super generation. They are the ones that migrate to Mexico for the winter, and they can live up to 9 months. Before embarking on their epic voyage, our monarchs savor the sweet nectar from the library's vibrant flowers. For the super generation of monarch butterflies, it's a well-deserved feast before their long migration to Mexico. Visit us at the Major Hillard Library in Chesapeake, Virginia for a front row seat to this incredible life cycle and enjoy our garden where the magic of nature unfolds. To learn more about monarch butterflies and all the other amazing butterflies in our area, visit the library and check our expansive catalog of books and videos about butterflies.